Hola amigos and welcome back to the channel. Now if you are a person who actually commutes from point A to point B every day or approx 50 kilometers a day on a bike which has just a toe shifting gear lever, I can actually understand the knuckle pain that you might be having, you know, in your legs. So I think I just might have the perfect product for you, and it only costs ₹100. Let me show you that. Now this thing right here actually is a gear shift sock or a gear shift lever. It's available in the market for ₹100 like I already told you, and goes on top of your gear. Not top, it actually goes on your gear lever like a condom. It protects your shoes just like a condom. Yes, I said condom. So it's basically used to prevent your shoes from white shoes, basically from getting oil spills out of the engine or the chain lube, and also it gives a great amount of relief to the knuckles if you have pain in, due to the frequent upshifting and downshifting in traffic. And it's actually very easy to install. I've seen idiots pushing and shoving it on the gear shift lever. All you have to do is lubricate it, and that's as easy. It's a 10-second job and it can save you a world of pain. And point to be noted, one gear shift sock will only last you 6 months. Tested already. I had a red one before and now I'm using a black one right now, so let's go ahead and install it. So here we are, and near my bike. This is my Pulsar 200 NS, and this, as you can see, this is the gear shift lever I was talking about, and we're going to install this. So for lubrication I'm going to be using the WD-40. It's a real good thing. You can even use coconut oil or anything for whatsoever reason. As long as this stuff is lubricated, it will go inside easily. So all you have to do is push it in. Without as you can see, perfect fit. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this normally, and I also do motovlogging. I'm from a small town named Srirampur, and do comment me your opinions about the video and what I should increase and what I should not. Till then, goodbye, ride safe, always wear a helmet. You never know what's gonna happen next, because the road is filled with idiots. Bye bye people, until next time.